Welcome to Ooma Office. The conference module of the Ooma Office desktop app allows you to create an audio conference bridge for up to 10 participants. Navigate to the conference module. Here you'll see two numbers, a direct dial-in number for external calls and an extension for internal calls within your company. Both numbers connect to the conference server, requiring participants to enter your personal conference number to access your conference room. As an Ooma Office user, you don't need to dial these numbers. Simply press the dial button on this page to join your conference room automatically.
Welcome to the conference. You are now joining the conference. You are currently the only person in this conference.
As you just heard, the automated voice confirmed that you're the only participant. You will be notified when others enter the conference room or join later. Thanks for watching.